Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stoughton to near Evansville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stoughton, Fulton, Utica, and Cooksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather